In today's tutorial, I will be going over the IFS statement. The IFS statement is a fairly new function in Excel, and if you've ever used the nested if statement or the VLOOKUP, this makes life a lot easier. So I have a standard the grading problem that we use in Excel. I have a grade of 80 for John, and we all know that an 80 is a B, and the grade for John is located in C8, cell C8. I will zoom in. Equals if S checks whether one or more conditions are met and returns a value corresponding to the first true condition. Open parentheses, the logical test. The logical test is the grade for John, which is located in C8. If greater than or equal to, let's say 97, John gets a A+. And notice I put the A+ within quotes, semicolon. C8 is greater than or equal to 90. That is a A, in quotes. C8 is greater than or equal to an 80. That is a B. C8 greater than or equal to 70. That is if C8 is greater than or equal to 60, that is a D. Greater than or equal to 50, that, and we'll put in fail. Now, if there's not a grade in that cell, I'll show you how to take care of that also. True, semicolon, space, and we'll put a little message. And close the quote and enter. Okay, I will zoom out. As I said, as we all know, the 80 is a B. Let's change, and I do have data validation here. And if you want to know how to do data validation, I will put a link in the upper right-hand corner right about now. So we'll change this to 50, and it's a fail. And if we don't have a grade for John, please input grade. So let's pull this data validation down, all the way down to Janet. And we'll pull the IFS statement, grab the fill handle, and pull all the way down to Janet. And we'll start putting grades in. 50, 97, 90, 80, and we're going to give a C. The IFS statement in Excel.